Welcome back, everybody. We're here for a fountain pen video on Kaweco. As you can see, I have a brass Kaweco on my traveler's notebook here, and it's attached to my traveler's notebook all the time, so I thought I needed another one. So I was doing a little research, and like the silver one, brass and silver seem to go together, so I decided to get the steel. So this is, I've already ripped the box open, but this is what I got. Oh, look at this. This is wild. The pen is not in the box. What the heck? There it is in a bag, but that's good. Okay, let's see what we got here. Box. Instructions, we don't care. Nice little sticker. Nice. Pen is over here for, oh, there, it wasn't a little bag separately, so that's okay, I guess. Then the pen. Look, it's empty. It's empty. Look, it fits right in there nicely. They've saved me a little bit of money by not sticking it in there. That's fine with me. So. Nice little box there, nice little tin. But let's look at the pen. This is why we are here, right? So the Kaweco Steel Sport, made in Germany. My brass down there has a medium nib. This one has a fine nib. Actually extra fine. I wanted to check out a different nib size to see how I liked it. And there's probably a cartridge in here. And there is. You know what, let's just pop that in there. See how this puppy writes. I don't have any paper towels down there either. Hope that's not a mistake. Alrighty. Let me get some paper out here. We can do a little test. Do it back in here. Hey, it writes immediately. Wow. In extra fine. Just a little bit of scratchy, but heck, that is nothing. Let's try my other one here real quick. Remember, this is the medium. Wow. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Can you tell I'm a programmer in my real life? Hello world is everything we program. Very nice. That's it. Oh no, I can't get the cap off. Okay, there we go. That's the steel. Kaweco steel and the brass. That's my collection. We'll see how fast it grows from here. All right, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.